Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the well-known anti-detect browser Indigo. Let's get started. Indigo is an anti-detect browser from Estonian developers, designed for secure operation with anti-fraud systems. It offers full encryption of data in the AWS cloud and supports two versions based on Chrome and Firefox with top security technologies. Let's explore the main advantages of the browser. A tool for launching ad campaigns, creating accounts for traffic flow, and managing various ad networks. A constantly updated and unique fingerprint database. Reliable and successful passability of digital fingerprint checks on most anti-fraud systems. Features that enable the creation of unique rights and access for efficient teamwork. Automated functionality for immediate startup. Let's review the browser's tariffs. There are 4 different tariffs to choose from. The Solo tariff, priced at €99, is designed for one user and allows the creation of up to 100 browser profiles. At €199, the Team tariff supports 3 users and allows the creation of up to 300 browser profiles. It includes features to limit access to active profiles and share profiles with team members. The Scale tariff, priced at €399, accommodates up to 7 users and allows the creation of up to 1,000 browser profiles. It includes all functionalities of the previous tariffs, plus API functionality. The Custom tariff includes all available features and allows clients to choose the number of users and browser profiles based on their needs. The price is determined through a personal discussion with the browser's sales manager. Let's open the browser and navigate through the interface. Upon launching the browser, we will be directed to the Current Profile section. There are 2 options for creating profiles. The first option allows for the customization of a full profile with specific settings, while the second option enables the creation of a quick profile that is not saved and is intended for one-time use. Let's create a new browser profile. First, we will be taken to a menu where we can set a name for the profile and add it to a profile group if desired. Next, we will choose the operating system for the profile, with choices such as Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and Android. Then we can select the browser type. Indigo offers 2 options: Mimic, which is based on Chrome, and StealthFox, which is based on Firefox. The following step in the setup process involves configuring proxy settings in the browser, which supports protocols such as HTTP, SOX4, and SOX5. To access a detailed guide on setting up proxies in Indigo, you can either click on the annotation displayed on the screen or follow the link provided in the video description. After configuring proxy settings, you can proceed to adjust the time zone settings by selecting either the IP address's time zone or keeping it consistent with the device's time zone. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable WebRTC and utilize the IP address's geolocation feature. The browser provides a wide array of profile settings for users to customize their browsing experience. Navigator. You can customize the user agent and browser screen resolution, select the profile language and platform, choose the number of cores used, and decide whether to enable or disable the Do Not Track feature. Fonts. You have the option to add or remove fonts from the available built-in directory to use in your virtual profile. Media devices. You can adjust media device masking, configure the number of audio inputs and outputs, and set up video device input. Hardware. You're able to set up Canva masking, configure the audio context, and access additional WebGL settings. Storage options. You can control memory usage for various browser utilities, such as extensions or browser history. Browser plugins. You have the choice to allow the use of potentially dangerous plugins and activate Flash plugins. Other. You're able to activate Google services, utilize a built-in port scanner, and set up custom DNS. After setting up the browser profile, you can view its current characteristics in the panel on the right side. Let's explore the option of creating a quick one-time profile. Simply choose an operating system and browser type from the available options. You can also add a proxy server if needed. These one-time profiles are useful for quick tasks that don't require detailed anonymity settings. Let's move on to managing browser profiles. In the All Profiles tab, you can see your created profiles. You can duplicate, export, and configure cookies for these profiles. Additionally, you can organize your profiles into folders for easier management. The Team Members tab is intended for managing the entire team of users. To invite users, just click the invitation button. Enter the user's email address and assign a password. The user will then receive an invitation. The My Account tab allows us to check our current account information. Here we can set default profile settings, choose the default browser and extensions, and select the desired language. For customization, you can choose light or dark mode on the right side of the screen. Based on today's review, I'd like to highlight that the Indigo browser simplifies your work with its modern solutions, whether working solo or in a team. You can use your Indigo account on unlimited devices and automate tasks using the API. Additionally, its team management features save time and help you control access to your profiles. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.